K Roxette over here. So I'm just gonna share a little video on how I did the eye makeup and stuff, like the butterfly makeup that is on my face. I'm only filming it tonight, like this part of the video tonight, because I was in a hurry earlier on, so I was not able to finish off my makeup and my video and stuff. But I'm just gonna show a little bit of how I did the makeup look and everything. I hope you enjoyed the short video that I have, short eye makeup video. I'm just gonna speed it up, and I'll be doing a voiceover because I was in a hurry, child. I was like so I had prepped my eye, and then I have like applied an eye primer, as well as like the stickers, the small stickers, the stars that you see on my face. And then I'm just gonna pop in the face paint palette that I'm currently using, which it's very good, it's very pigmented, and it's very nice, easy to apply and everything, and it's just like smooth and line and stuff. So I began by applying the hot pink shade, and then after applying the hot pink shade, like on for the inner side of the eye, I started applying the white face paint, you know, so that they can be like that small transition and stuff, and so that it can look like cute and everything, so that I don't look like my whole face to be pink and everything, because of, especially because my outfit was gonna be pink, and then I don't want to be pink like that. And then I just went on to apply to use the brush that I was using to apply the hot pink, and just went in to like put it on top of the white base, so that it gives off like a very light shade of light pink, if you know what I mean, like super light pink. And then after that, I began by applying I started by, you know, creating like a small eyeliner with the black face paint, and then so that I can like have a base and everything, especially when I was applying the eyelashes, so that the eyelashes won't be hanging on my eyes, you know. And then I know, and then I just started drawing lines and everything, and I was just here like, whoo, can this turn out well, you know? So I was just trying to focus by all means, and then trying to compare with the other side, as you can see from the video, trying to compare with the other side on like which line was I going, so that they can like complement each other. I didn't want them to be like symmetrical, because like, yeah, I mean, that's very difficult. But then I did want them to be like, not to be too asymmetrical, but to be like smaller cousins or something, you know, like to be relatives, so that they still look the same. And then, yeah, I was just started drawing and everything. I know this is the butterfly eye makeup look, but I started by drawing it. I know from this angle, now it's giving like a flower more than a butterfly. But then I just started adding lines and everything, so you can see. So, yeah. Just be patient, you know, be patient. So as you can see that the other line, I made it too thick and stuff, but then I did use a wet wipe to fix that part. And then I continued like adding the different lines and everything. Then the white dots that you see that I was applying, I was just like making it to decorate my butterfly and everything, and also to use them as a reference to when I'm gonna apply the diamonds, basically the face stickers, so that I can like improve the look, basically. So I'm mixing the golders with the yellow, so that it can match my jewelry, because I was planning to wear gold jewelry on that day. And then I just went in and just like applied it on the star where I had removed the stars stickers. And then, yeah, that's it basically. And then I went in to pop the small eyeliner, the tiny pink stars that I have on the face stickers. Began by doing that on the middle. I was trying to put them in the middle of this star. Then I went in with the setting powder so that the face paint doesn't move basically as much. And then I just applied it. First, I began by rubbing it on my hand as you saw, and then that's pretty much it, you know. So I'm just gonna go finish off my face, putting crystals and do the rest of my face. Then I'll be back for the final look. Coming back soon. So while I was in the bathroom, like putting pills and stuff, then I realized that I felt like the look is not popping enough, you know. Hence, I went and I was like, where my neon powder at? And then that's when I started like applying my neon powder, and I was just like here exploring and stuff. And then, as you can see on the other side, then I began by doing the same thing on the other side so that they can make it pop like that. Because now you can see the difference clearly, that the other side is more popping more. The one that with the neon, it's popping like that compared to the one that without the neon, you know. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I just went in like with different the relevant colors and everything. Then yep. So if someone ever asks you, where on earth will you wear this makeup? You can definitely wait outside like I did, honey. As you can see, you know, just wait with confidence. So much for watching me, for spending time with me on my channel and stuff. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, honey. Subscribe so you can be part of the honeys. That sounds wrong, but anyway, bye. See you next time, honey. And more content will definitely be coming. More content will definitely be coming. I know I have been saying that, but yeah, this time I'm actually gonna edit the stuff, you know. But yeah,